Dumpster rental service in Bennington, Nebraska. At 402 Container, we take pride in delivering top-notch dumpster rental service in Bennington, Nebraska. We understand how important it is to have a reliable waste management solution for your projects, so we make the process simple and hassle-free. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing a construction site, we have the perfect dumpster for you. Our team is dedicated to providing prompt and dependable service, allowing you to focus on getting the job done. We handle the heavy lifting, ensuring smooth and efficient waste disposal. Booking with us is easy, and we guarantee timely delivery and pickup to fit your schedule. With 402 Container, you can trust that your waste disposal needs are in expert hands. Our commitment to customer satisfaction drives us to deliver high-quality service every time. We strive to provide solutions that make your cleanup stress-free and convenient. If you have questions or need help selecting the right dumpster for your project, our friendly team is here to assist you. Give us a call at 402-979-5900 to get started today. Choose 402 Container, your trusted partner for reliable waste management solutions in Bennington, Nebraska.